You can get new review gadget videos in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. The latest gadget include Microsoft Surface laptop 4 and LG rolling OLED TV. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel. The link is in the description below. Please like, comments and share. Let's go. Number 1. Microsoft Surface laptop 4. Do it all with design, speed and experience, long battery life or Surface laptop 4. Often with one finger, get in the flow in second and do your back work on the brightness pixels. Touch screens control over the built-in HD camera and Studio MICS and your duals atoms automatics and auto refilled with a choice of two great process, two size and keyboard fingers plus 4 this color including new inchi blue. Get organized and create with Microsoft 365, then unwind with a favorite sono or games. All and Surface laptop 4 style and speed stand out on HD video calls back by Studio Micros. Computer idea on the bread touch screen. Do it all with a perfect balance of skill, design, speed, audio and longer battery life than before. Battery life 3.5 inch AMD. Number 2. LEG Rollable TV. The world first and only rollable TV has arrived. This ground-breaking technology not only re-image what a TV is capability of, it revolutionize the way you use your space. Out of this world picture quality combines with our new technology reliable. It's your step into the future every time you use your TV and until things skin roll into a state of the art sound system. This unbelievable display is only possible with OLED shaped pixel technology. OLED is a work of art fit for your luxury life system. With a TV that effort when you need it and disappeared when you do not. This display rolling out to 3 different heights is with a unique process, all with a style look that completes your space.